We will examine the bull runs that occurred in 2016 to 2017 and 2021. We're going to look at how close we are to the breakout today, and I want you to pay attention to this little coincidence that tells me we're almost at the critical mass where XRP is going to take off. Please bear with me as I attempt to simultaneously send a text message and initiate a conversation, but unfortunately, it's not working. Well, what am I trying to say? We ask ourselves. My subconscious fights the desire to connect and communicate. Our approaches to the problem differ. Here's a review of Bitcoin for XRP, 69 for 180 right in front of my eyes. Ethereum 3,749 has dropped 3% in the previous 24 hours. There are also notable oscillations in the USDT and USDC. Wherever you look, you can find the dollar pegs. It was quite unexpected to see him in XRP. That does not exactly make me happy. But when I compare these charts with one another, the mean difference is 52 cents. This pattern persists until 2021 when the 2017 bull run occurs. We have her number. You'll receive a reward for running for 2 days today. I became a little excited. I understand that people find it fascinating to see your $2 trillion, 610 billion Bitcoin market capitalization. Justin, a lot of people reported on this last night, and a lot more will. What do you think? Donald Trump has officially recognized XRP as a cryptocurrency available for donation. People, it's exciting to see this official recognition. As you can see, you'll need some Bitcoin for this. I'll tell you up front that this is a sensible choice. You may wonder why this is a wise decision, given that the money he receives now will have multiplied 5 or 10 times by the time he needs to spend it, or even later if he doesn't touch it. I'm amazed by it and pleased to see politicians embracing cryptocurrencies. Dr. Defender gave XRP an update, expressing both his opposition and support for it. I recently received a couple more charts via email from Keith, so this should work well with my next plan, right? Hello there, everyone. Here is an update on XRP for the daily time frame, as per the agreement. We stopped for a while. To depict the precise points at which XRP diverges from the orange line that represents the RSI trend and above the positive 50% barrier, I have created a more condensed 5-way framework inside the weekly chart. You now possess evidence of the innovation. You can see the orange line. Our location is obvious to you. The text your support, 52 cents, appears above the breakout, correct? We don't want to go back, but if you go back down there, we may remember those numbers. He predicts that XRP will retest resistance levels 58, 68, 90, and 120 in a few days, as well as 58 cents. Enjoy now. I'll jump over right away. Keith's charts indicate that this is what we should be looking at. Keith is one of the smartest individuals alive today, if not the smartest, in case you didn't already know. I'll send a link to him for all of you. Tell me whether you would like to join, please. My girlfriend is coming over right now. What, then, is this chart's purpose? We are examining the zone 821 that you purchased. Thankfully, the EMA isn't working. This is a clear sign that something is still working properly. The 50 moving average, what say you? We must break above the 50 moving average, but the circumstances call for it. It's important to remember that the buy zone is a wide range, as shown by both historical and contemporary analyses, so we need to exercise caution. As soon as we get out of this predicament, we ought to have confirmation. See, you and I are very close. Our goal is to keep track. We have moved this post to the XRP platform. The first chart displays the buy zone. I can see my mouse moving. It was the possessing once we grasped the opportunity to secure a zone, we felt at ease. The green dotted line indicates our current location. This is the 2024 buying zone box. What transpired in this buying area in April 2020 during our Heaven event? If you don't believe we delved into the unknown, you can witness it for yourself. Folks, you can observe the same trends today as you did during your purchasing period in 2016. Before the ridiculous blow-off top, there was a small upsurge, a short drop, and a small pullback. You don't believe me, I know that. As you may recall, there was a brief SEC case, and when the asset you were purchasing shifted to the upside and then experienced a slight retracement, we witnessed a parabolic-type blow-off high. In case you want to call it such, a sizable portion of the assets have declined. Since most assets in 2021 did not achieve all-time highs, let's move on to the present. Will this time around things turn out differently? In my opinion, yes. Which aspects of your purchase are we considering? Before the year is over, we hope to break through that dollar zone with a strong upward push. By year-end, there will be a small retreat back into the target zone, or 60 to 75 cents, before we get up and go for it. The shift will be parabolic, so it will persist throughout my discussion. What's the purpose of this channel? At the end of the year, we are thinking about doing a fairly straightforward 75-cent closeout for XRP, which should help us get a 6% lead over XRP. What precisely does XRP's 6% dominance mean? The entire cryptocurrency market. Does 6% dominance imply the opening of a route to about $6 XRP? That is completely a reward of up to $6 XRP is possible. I'm still getting comments regarding Taka's double-digit XRP and its possible effects. Today, I also submitted a Ripple grant application. Hopefully, everyone understands. We are who we are. In the breeding lab, we're currently working on unlocking packs. Some of the projects include a multi-chain metaverse, a multi-chain NFT mix mining website, and a Web3 gaming studio. Whether encouraged by Ripple, not encouraged by Ripple, or done for fun, the list is unlimited. This concludes it all. Occurring. This isn't going to last forever, my man. Nicky Spears says he loves this project. The cryptographic design labs are the most enjoyable. Invest in your future, nurture your offspring, and receive monthly compensation. Despite the significant progress we've made over the past 3 years and the impending major transformation, I can't locate my tweet. People will battle to get what they desire. Let's say you think XRP won't move. XRP is such a shitcoin. What is it that you'd like to know? Many people may not know this, but since 2017, XRP has not reached an all-time high. However, a lot of the cryptocurrencies that were part of the October 21, 2020 bull run also fell short of reaching record highs. What are your thoughts on this, and what are our options while we wait? As the SEC searches for legitimate securities, Ethereum and ETFs are becoming more popular. In all honesty, not much is happening. Listen to this. Never give up. By following this process, you can identify the necessary actions. We recently made a change in this area. You can see where we'll be stopping for the day. We didn't break it, surely? After breaking the 50 moving average, we should try to reach as close to $1 as we can before 2025 expires. If we can hold on to 75 cents, it's time for a push-up.